If you want to enable the ClickUp integration in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Integrations. Then from here, go down and find ClickUp and press Enable. Once you're on this page, you should select the workspace that you want to integrate. I'll go ahead and select this workspace, then press Connect Workspace. Once you've selected the workspace you want to integrate, the integration has been successfully set up. As we can see here, we can see the members in that workspace, as well as the projects. Here in the Members section, you can select which members you want to integrate from ClickUp. So for example, I'll go ahead and select this member, then press Import. As you can see, this member has been successfully imported. Now if we go into the Projects section, here you can select which projects you want to be imported into WebWork. So here we can select the projects, if we want this project to be imported with tasks, as well as the current status of the project. And here on the right, you can select tasks with which statuses to import. So for example, I can choose to import to do, in progress, complete, and etc. Once I'm ready to import, I can go ahead and press import. As you can see, these projects are currently being imported. Now, if you want your projects and tasks to automatically be imported into WebWork from ClickUp, you can do that by turning on AutoSync. To do that, you should first open ClickUp, then go to your workspace name and go down to Settings, then go down to Apps, and from here click Generate. Once you've generated the token, you can go ahead and copy it, go back to WebWork and paste the token. Then from here you can choose what will happen with your projects and tasks. So for example, no sync, what this means is that the projects and tasks will not be automatically imported into WebWork. Then we have auto sync, that means any task and project that have been created in ClickUp will automatically be synced into WebWork. And lastly, we have auto sync and auto remove. What this means is, whenever you change, delete, or edit a task or project in ClickUp, it will also change or edit or delete within WebWork as well. I'll go ahead and choose AutoSync for both projects and tasks. And if you want to send the time data you track on WebWork to ClickUp, you can enable Send Track Time Data from WebWork. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Save. And as you can see, I've successfully turned on AutoSync. And if we go back to our projects, we can see that our projects have been successfully imported. To view them, we can go down to Projects, then Projects, and here we can see that the projects have been successfully imported. And within the project, we can also see the statuses and the tasks. Now, if you want to view track time on a project you imported from ClickUp, you can do that by going to ClickUp, then going to the task you're tracking time for. So for example, I was tracking on this task. I can go ahead and click it. And here in the Track Time section, you can view how much time I tracked for this task. Currently, I've logged only 1 hour.